Hello everyone, it's Al from Gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to access or where to find archived emails. So over here we have a sample email. So it says Employee Engagement Survey, and I hope you guys remember this email because it will be useful in the future seconds of this video. So let's say that I accidentally archived this particular email over here. So it's gone, and you want to find where it went, or where to access it once again, because you either want it deleted permanently, or you either want to put it back to your inbox. So what you have to do is to click more on the sidebar over here. So it's below drafts. So if you click more, then this will show up, and over here after scheduled you will see all mail. So all mail contains all your emails, so including spam, trash, your inbox, your primary inbox, and the likes. So if you click all mail, then this will show up. So as you can see, my primary tab was empty a while ago. However, in all mail it has a lot of emails over here. So if you guys remember, I accidentally archived the Employee Engagement Survey email, and this is where it went. It's the one over here. So yes, that's it. You can simply find your archived emails by accessing the All Mail tab. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you tune in for more.